Chapter 2, Think First, the power of mindset in building wealth. Before you make your first rand, dollar, or investment, you have to get your mind right. Wealth is not just about money. It's about how you think. It's about how you move. It's about training your mind to recognize opportunities, not just expenses. Mindset is the foundation of money. Let's be honest, most of us were not raised with the mindset of wealth. We were taught to survive, not to build. We were taught to find a job, not to create one. We were told that money is scarce, hard to get, or even evil. But here's the truth. Money follows mindset. If you think poor, you'll stay poor. If you think growth, you'll create it. What does a wealth mindset look like? 1. Abundance over scarcity. People with a rich mindset believe there is always more. More money to be made, more skills to be learned, more chances to try again. Broke thinking says, I can't afford it. Rich thinking asks, how can I afford it? 2. Long-term over short-term. Fast money fades. Smart money compounds. A rich mindset thinks about investments, assets, and legacy, not just flexing for likes. 3. Value over price. Poor thinking says, this is expensive. Rich thinking asks, what's the value I'm getting in return? You start seeing spending as investing in knowledge, in tools, in yourself. Change your inner programming. To think rich, you must unlearn and relearn. You must feed your mind with books, mentors, and real-life lessons. Stop glorifying struggle. Start glorifying strategy. Stop comparing. Start building. Every time you say, I'm broke, your brain believes it. Start saying things like, I'm learning to master money. I'm preparing for wealth. Money is attracted to me because I create value. Your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your bank account. Action steps identify your money blocks. Write down 3 limiting beliefs you've had about money, e.g., I'm not good with money or money changes people. Cross them out. Replace them with empowering truths. Create a daily money affirmation example. I think rich, I move smart, and I attract opportunities that build wealth. Change your circle. Surround yourself with people who talk about growth, investments, building, not just gossip, problems, and survival. Final word. You can hustle all you want, but if your mindset is stuck, you'll always end up where you started. To grow financially, you have to grow mentally first. Think rich, move smart. That's how we break cycles and build empires. Give us a like and subscribe to continue changing your mindset and change.